put it in low gear. Go on foot from here. We did this. And now I have to do the same thing here. Cut all these trees where the old road used to be. They did some wood clearing here 20 years ago or something like, no, not 20 years, but a couple of years ago. And all this grew back on the road. So yeah, so we're gonna clear it like this so that we can go and on top of the property and try to exploit the top of the 250 acres to have it accessible by vehicle and all that stuff. So I do it with this Husqvarna, heavy duty, and when I get into some bigger stuff I use the chainsaw just to save on this guy. So I'll show you, I'll go on foot and show you where I want to go. So this is where I want to end up. Look at that view. You can see the island over there and the river that goes around it. Look at that. Awesome view. So we're gonna be coming from there. So that's where I have to go work. So that's pretty much it. So the view out here, and the old road goes around and it still goes up to the property. We're about in the center of the 3 lots. So about 2.5 kilometers deep by 3 kilometers wide. And where we're subdividing some lots is way down there, close to the river. But I want to have access to the top of the property where there's a huge view, and there's a mountain lake down below. So we're going to be working on that, working with the excavator, working with the loader, and we'll have some shots too of the river this summer. We'll go out boating, and we'll show you a bit of the St. Maurice River. 130 kilometers of boating, so it's quite a bit of boating. So we'll go there. So have fun, you guys, and let's keep in touch. Bye. So thanks for watching, guys. So this goes on for a couple of hours, so I won't keep you waiting. So stay tuned, and I'll put some more videos of what's to come next on the Hydro Quebec power lines. So keep busy and go outside and have fun. Bye.